Hi, in this video we are going to work on prime for clarinet on the second clarinet part, and we're only going to focus on measures 1 through 10. So I'm going to walk you through everything, especially where there are notes that you may not know. So at the beginning we have a fast tempo 151 beats per minute, and we are in common time. That's the same as 4/4 time, which means 4 beats per measure and the whole note gets 4 counts. So we start on a whole note C at a piano dynamic. We're soft, and we crescendo, gradually getting louder to a quarter note C with this kind of accent. This kind of accent is going to be louder, a bit heavier, but also separated. So it's more like a poke instead of a push that you get from one of these accents. And then we go to a D and do the same thing. Then at measures 5 and 6 we have half note Cs, and they have this type of accent, so they're heavier, they're a little bit louder, and they're just a little bit separated from each other. When we get down here to measure 7, that first quarter note is an A, so we add 2 more fingers to our C, and then we have a B on a dotted half note, so hold it for 3 beats, and we just lift that index finger so it's just the middle finger. And then at measure 8 we have a half note F, that's mezzo piano, medium soft, crescendo into a half note C, and then into a whole note C. So I'm going to play through it for you, and just to let you know that low A to B in measure 7 should sound like this. Okay, so my reed was a little bit dry because I took a break from playing before this video. I'm going to start at the beginning and do my best to play this for you. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And that is it for the second clarinet part of prime measures 1 through 10. I hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.